Okay, just a very short video. Just wanted to do one last improvement to the machine, and that was to fit some decent, fully adjustable tube brackets. Now there is width in the back for these. What I didn't consider, unfortunately, was the height. Because now I've pulled this out and had a closer look, the laser has stupidly been fitted as low down as possible on those two hideous welded in metal brackets. And you can see through the back there how low that laser head is. Now unfortunately, whilst we could block this up and actually drill out and get to everything under here to screw everything in place, what we can't do is block up these any higher. Well, you've got what, perhaps an inch of difference there, and frankly I don't think that is going to be enough to allow for these to be fitted in the machine. Frankly, it's just not worth the aggro, because then we've got to, move everything up, and yeah, it's just not going to work out, is it? Really, it's just not going to be possible. The whole design would need to be changed. So unfortunately, we're going to have to stick with the welded in metal brackets that hold the tube in place, and sadly for me, I'm going to have to return these very nice fully adjustable brackets back to Amazon, which is a great shame. It certainly would have made things much easier when changing or a tube or aligning things, but yeah, it's just not going to be possible in this machine. Might be worth looking at 3D printing something myself, but yeah, at this stage it's it's all nicely aligned. I'm just going to get on with making some stuff now, and that might be a project for the summer at some point, but yeah, not for now. But it's a shame, because these are really nice adjustable brackets. You've got up and down, we've got slots sideways. You could probably arrange, well, if you didn't put them in square you'd be pretty stupid, but yeah, you can move one across that way, one across that way, so left and right adjustment. Yeah, it would have been perfect, and so much easier than bits of rubber strip on fixed metal brackets, but there you go. For the price, I guess we can't complain, but yeah, all the other upgrades are now done and finished. Red Dragon did send me a much more powerful water pump, because the original one they supplied couldn't even trip the water flow sensor, but obviously I've already bought one myself months ago, but at least I've got a spare if that ever goes wrong. But at least they did send me one. So yeah, that's it. I think we'll get on with making some stuff.